In this question, I introduce about the question number 4, and is given from the inventory chapter. First of all, I made some journal entries, and I will introduce in this video. I made first journal entry about cost of goods sold to inventory, and it's around $59,000. And as per the question, I I selected this amount from the lower of cost and net realizable value. And then after I made one entries on 31st December 2023, and and I made entries about the inventory to cost of goods sold, just because of we need to make two types of general entries for each years, for opening entries and as well as in closing entries. And I made entries for 2 years, 2022 and 2023. And then after I made uh, entries in B parts about cost of goods sold to inventory, but at this time I selected amount from the cost. And second entries, same like first part, inventories to cost of goods sold at $84,000. And, and I made third entries, that loss on inventory due to declining net realizable value, and in credit side allowances to reduce inventory to NRV. And I made these entries from uh, amounts $84,000 minus $75,600, and from this amount I got $8,400. And then after I made one general entries about the 2023 inventory to cost of goods sold, and it's a closing inventory. And then after I made one another inventories about the loss on inventory due to declining in NRV, like net realizable value, and in credit side allowances to reduce inventory to net realizable value. But at this time I picked up only $1,400, just because of I made already a transaction from allowances in above entries, uh, at as amount $8,400. That's why I selected $1,400 at the last entry. Thank you.